Hi everyone, this is Michael Mitchell. I'm the Supervisor of Educational Technology for the Flemington-Raritan Regional School District in New Jersey, and I'm going to share with you how to embed your Twitter, in essence creating a Twitter feed for your SchoolWires website if your school happens to use SchoolWires. Our school does, and so every teacher in our district has the ability to create their own website and has their own website. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your particular school website, and you'll notice on the upper right hand corner there's a button that says Site Manager, and you'll click Site Manager and you'll be asked to be prompted to put in your username and password, which I've already done. I'm going to click that, and then I am logged in. And this is the page where the Site Manager, where you're allowed to actually edit your particular website. So you're going to navigate this site, and it's different for everyone, and find out where your own website is. Mine is under our district, and I go to the bottom here and I see Technology, and I hit Technology. Now these are all the different pages. You can see there's a lot of inactive pages and there's some active pages that I use on my website. You want to find the particular page that you have in your website. Some of you just might have a welcome page on your website, and if that's all you have, that's fine. I can help you decide where you want to put your Twitter feed. I happen to actually have already a Twitter feed on my welcome page, so for the purpose of this instructional video, I'm going to create a Twitter feed for my technology department team page on our technology website. So the first thing I'm going to do is over here you see this button that says Actions. It says show me what I can do with this. It prompts you. I click that arrow and I'm going to click Edit Page. Now it says Technology Department Team Page, Flex Editor App. What I'm going to do is over here are the actions. I'm going to Manage Apps and Layout. I click that button and I'm going to have two choices, Add App or Change Layout. In order to put Twitter feed onto this particular page on my website, I'm going to click right here, Add App. And I'm going to choose the app here. You might want to do the Twitter Share app. Don't choose that one. That's not the right one to do. What we want to do is choose the Flex Editor app, which is this one right here. So choose the Flex Editor app, and we're going to call it Twitter Feed App. And I'm going to click Save. And so there it is. And this particular Twitter feed app is going to come below on the bottom of my web page for the technology department team page. But I'm not really done yet. So I'm going to go back to my website and you'll see, let me find my Twitter feed. I think it's right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is on your Twitter feed you'll see you have this little wheel here. If I click this wheel, it takes me to Settings, all these different options here. I'm going to choose Settings, and then I'm going to choose Widgets, and then I'm going to choose Create New. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here where it says Create Widget. Now we'll just keep it as that, Create Widget. So when you do that, it gives you down here, copy and paste the code into the HTML of your site. So this is the code that we're going to use to embed on our SchoolWires website, on the Site Manager section. So I'm going to copy this and go to Edit and Copy. Now I'm going to go back to the Site Manager site of SchoolWires, and I'm going to click this one. I'm sorry, let me hit click I'm done first. Now I'm going to click Twitter Feed App. I'm going to edit this site. Now I'm in what you'll see is normal site here. I want to go into HTML site. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to center this, and then I'm going to click HTML. And I'm going to put my cursor down here. And remember, I just copied that code, that embed code. I'm now going to click Edit and Paste, and that is the code that is now embedded on my SchoolWire site. I'm going to click Save, and we'll say Tweets by Mitchell Sensei. And I'm going to go back now. You can see, let's go back to the website. And so now when I go to our district and I choose, our district, and I choose technology, and I choose technology department team. Before it just had all this, but when I go all the way to the bottom, there is, you can see my Twitter feed. And these are some of the tweets that I've sent today and yesterday as well. So you can have it set up so people tweet to you or not tweet to you if you like. But regardless, that is how you set up a Twitter feed for your SchoolWires website, and I can help all of you do that. You just have to email me or call me, and I can come to your school and help you set it up. It's a fantastic tool. I think setting up a Twitter feed for your website does a lot of things. One of them is I feel that it helps you to communicate with parents and other stakeholders in our community. I think it's an opportunity for you to share homework that is due or that is coming up. I think it's a great opportunity for you to share the fantastic work that you and your students are doing, information about field trips, supplies needed, whatever it might be. It's a really quick way for you to update your website without having to go into Site Manager. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.